What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, coming to you today talking about the Testo 550 gauge set. So I really like this gauge set. I'm sure I've done something on it before in the past, but I figured there was an opportunity to do a video on it since I'm on this job site, and here we go. Okay, family, so this is the Testo 550 gauge set. All right, so the great thing about this gauge set, family, why I like it so much, I mean, if you look at this gauge set, see here, that's the type of refrigerant that I'm using right now. I just added refrigerant to my system. I've added 2 pounds total. You know, so right now I'm looking at my suction pressure. That's my high side pressure. That's my subcooler. 14.7. That's my superheat. So I'm letting this unit level out. So you go down and hit the arrow button down, you get to see the delta T. So, and you go down further. I mean, this is still your pressure, low side, high side. That's the evaporated temperature right there, 31.5. That's still a little too low. A whole lot too low in my opinion. But the unit, the funny thing is this unit is still cooling great. I just don't like what my evaporated temperature is and my low side pressure. Even though outside right now the temperature is really nice, it's not hot, but I would like to see that evaporated temp a little higher. And then my high side pressure, as you can see, we're talking about 14.8, so you know these are pretty low pressures at 14.8. But with this Testo family, open it up. See, I have my tip clamps here. One on the suction side, one on the discharge side. See, it's coming discharge down here. Anyway, so as you can see, you have the clamps there that comes with it. You have the gauge. So overall, family, that's it in a nutshell. I really like the Testo 550. You can go change different refrigerants on it. You can see different things. You can do it for, I mean, it has a list of all the refrigerants in it. Anyway, I'm not going to go on and on and on about this. I just want to show you this is a great piece of equipment to have. You don't have to, it already does the superheat and subcooling for you. So you don't have to do the math. So that's the great thing, to get the job done faster. All right, family. Thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.